Yeah, sure, you can be in the clip, buddy.
All
Okay,
right,
Paisan, what's going on here?
trying to get this oil drain off.
Been skipping the gym?
Holy sh! It is tight.
Yeah, it seems like it. Okay, what are we doing today, buddy?
So, got rid of the little turbo.
Oh, let's take a peek at it. Little China boy. He did his job.
Yeah, that thing worked its heart out. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, she's a little though.
Yeah, it is. I'm kind of scared that's in my motor.
Could be.
Hope not.
Still runs.
Oh, G25-660 RS did the trick, but now
Little disco potato.
I want to go big boy.
Yeah, so
Try
he
out
already
the
took the
new-
manifold off. Got this manifold modified for a V-band. Oh, that's nice.
72 AR, the new G25-660.
Yeah.
V-band in and out.
Good, everything we should need to put it in. So turbo drain, heat sleeving because fires aren't cool. So everything for the downpipe, wastegate. Yeah, should be sick. Give her, dude. Oh, I'm gonna catch you busting your knuckles. It's gonna be nice.
Dude.
That has not been out since probably 1990.
That's weird.
More leverage has entered the chat. Oh. Let's see live action bashing knuckles. Oh, success.
Look at that. Now we take this. We bring it over here.
Wow, this guy sounds so educated.
This baby.
And with just a little hot
Whoa.
glue, it should hold together.
Yep.
Okay, after some fighting, Callum got the whole drain out of the block, but we got to convert this to dash 10. We got to hot glue this together, but we don't have a hot glue gun here, so we got to go to a buddy's shop to go pick up his hot glue gun. Okay, we're on our way to go pick up the TIG welder for Callum's car at a buddy's shop. Taking a good old trusty Subaru with the little Christmas tree lights.
Oh yeah.
You know, not tracking any mileage. We don't need that.
Nope.
No. She's a quick little girl though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Sweet. Okay, we'll see you at the shop. We're at our buddy's shop here, picking up a TIG welder for Callum's car. Got a pretty cool setup here. G8. Pretty much the mystery machine. Hadla bikes. So they got drift cars too, so there's the E36, 370Z, IS. Got the good old Everlast. If you guys think it's a great idea to just instantly pull the engine right out when you get here. Yeah, sick setup. Alright, TIG welder secured. This guy's just getting the bottle. I'll close it up here. Welder secured. Just if you see any clips of us welding, we don't know what we're doing. I just watched hella YouTube videos and yeah.
Right there? Hot.
Spencer, the people are gonna know you're bald now.
What? Yo.
I'm shaking like a crackhead, dude.
Oh my
I did
god.
that on purpose, so I can't, you know, I can pick it up without touching it.
Let it cool. But there, look at that. That's pretty good. First timer? Huh. He's got a good teacher.
Yeah, Mark Welds. Marcus Rodriguez. I know you're trying to take credit. No, I'm just kidding. More amps. Double compressor plug?
Yep. Arlene, give me a 10 mil.
Oh, what did I say? 11.
I don't want to get my grubby hands all over this baby. There goes 10 mil.
Hands on it. It's not your mom's purse.
We're just losing socket after
No,
socket.
Arlen, it's because the fucking 10 mils at the cottage in the snowmobile bag.
Get back. Time to get back to trying to weld. Keyword trying. Marcus is going to be so disappointed in me. I remember the 70 amps. I think a lot. This is thick metal. That's it. So they cut it the same way. So putting A and fittings together, you spend about 3 hours struggling to get this on. And once it's on, it's gravy. And once it's on, it's gravy. Where's the other end?
I didn't get that. I was
You get some of this, Jamie. Come outside there. WD. Light coating. And then you spend another half an hour looking for the fitting.
The other part of it?
Oh, in your pocket. Oh. Spray just this end. Get a little on the threads. Make sure you start the threads because these are really prone to stripping. Then you turn this down until it bottoms out, and you got an AM fitting. There we go. Let me go get some gloves.
Better be.
Stinks.
Oh my god.
No, don't why are you pulling so hard? Oh, it stinks. Yeah, there. Double check. Oh, that'll make a nice cut.
Yep.
Not bad.
Pretty good for an angle grinder.
Yeah.
What's this?
Like that much?
Oh my god.
18.5 degrees in here. Look at a nice summer day.
Okay, so we made the lines yesterday, but now we have to make the downpipe from up there. We gotta remake this new downpipe here. The old downpipe's got some sick engineering on it.
Don't show that.
Don't, no? I'll show this too. It's pretty sick.
Jesus, who did that?
I think we're looking at the culprit. Okay, so we're just cutting this up and then we're gonna take a new flex pipe because this was destroyed. So, but we gotta reuse this section here, cut this flange off, we're gonna put a V-band on it. I'll go from there. So Arlen's just putting some pie cuts together. We're just tacking it because, again, we can't back purge it, so they'll have scaling on the inside and they could fall from the motor. So we're tacking that up. Callum's cleaning up pie cuts over there. So just putting a stack of them together.
Look at that. Ready to rock. V-band onto the downpipe. Connect to my old exhaust.
Yeah, so
New flex pipe.
we just decided to make this pipe because, yeah, it's on its last legs. It might get replaced later, but it gets the job done now. The downpipe coming off the turbo, though, we're gonna take it just because this is nice. So we got everything all lined up on the car. Yeah, that's how she goes. It's actually a little backwards there, but yeah. So we get to taking that. So this is essential for taking.
So how much water shall I put into this mixture?
Is that all water?
Yeah. I put a little bit in, so.
Pour about half of that and then half of the concentrate.
Just like that much.
Yeah.
I'm like,
So what did you guys? You got everything else done today very well.
Yeah, where were you?
This is being a Joe.
Look at this. This guy's a bartender.
Hey, make it a double.
This is not professional advice
What do
how
you
to
mean
mix
that's-
coolant.
perfect mixture. Oh, god damn it.
Did you finish that job today?
No,
Okay.
man, I got there, it was cock stiff.
So yesterday we got all the lines made for the turbo. So we made the drain, then we made both the coolant sides for the turbo, and the feed is hooked up. Today we just finished up the downpipe, so that's all done. Arlen's still got to make the intercooler pipe from here to here. We're just gonna tack it up because we don't have the stuff here to back purge it. Yeah, exactly. So right now we're just filling up with coolant, and then we have the cam angle sensor unplugged. And we're just gonna crank it just to prime the turbo with some oil. We have cams to put in, but we're all antsy to hear this thing because they sound like literally a plane. So we're just gonna start it up temporarily right now because we still have some fabrication stuff to do to fully do it, and then that's it. Right?
That's it, buddy.
That's
You
it.
got it.
Here's some
She's
Westland.
still thirsty?
Yeah.
Oh no, she's going. We're just yeah, we're just priming right now. That's it. Okay, you want to go?
You think she's ready?
She's
I think so.
Any leaks? Fascinating.
Get a carrot.
Sounds different, eh? Yeah.
That was perfect.
No intercooler pipe hooked up.
Well, that's fine because I probably flooded it right there.
Yeah.
pipe we just welded up, or tacked it for now. I decided to teardrop the end. Just we had leftover material. This is the other side of it. If we could make it look a little fancy, why not? So ready to
I think
weld
that's
up.
pretty good.
Yeah.
Needs a little rice.
Weld it up, put it in the car. That's it.
They're all
It's on the car,
welded.
and that's it for this video. And we're gonna do some Brian Cowler cams next video, and then hopefully get on the dyno after that.
Yeah. So catch you in the next video.
Cheers.
Cheers.